This is not rehearsed. This is a counter punch and reaction drill. So I'm going to throw a punch at my boxer and he's going to reply with a set piece move. Drills like this in the pads are going to really solidify the connection between your mind and your body. You're going to get attacked, you're going to block the attack, and you're going to attack back straight away. You're going to make it autonomous. You're going to make counter punching autonomous. The full process between you seeing, realizing what attacks been hit you with, and then deciding what punch to use when your counter is going to be minimized. You're going to be able to instantaneously react. So this is a great drill to use. So my boxer, he's got set piece moves. He knows when he catches a certain punch, he will throw a certain combination. But what he doesn't know is what punch is coming towards him. Just like in the fight. Now, you should already have set piece moves. You should already know what you want to do in set situations. But now we're just solidifying my boxer's reaction in set situations. There's no other way to speed up the reaction time for your counter punches other than drills like this. You have to drill them. So my boxer is going to be able to reply back with counters as if he knew exactly what punch he was going to throw. But he never. It was just autonomous. There was no actual conscious thought process for him to reply because of drills like this. Other than making counter punching autonomous, this drill is really going to help the boxer with his concentration as well as relaxation. You're going to realize the more relaxed you are, the easier it is to see punches coming towards you and react, and counter with the right counter attack. But not just that, it helps you focus, because focus is in the mind and relaxation is in the body. The body needs to be really relaxed, but the mind needs to be focused, razor sharp, focused and seeing what punches coming towards you so you can react. When the body's relaxed, you're going to be able to quickly block, quickly move your body in position. When you're uptight and you're all rigid, you're going to be slow and you won't be able to defend the punch coming towards you. Focus is in the mind and relaxation is in the body. Now, watch how Canelo Alvarez easily evades punches. This is not some magic pill he took, it's from drills. He already knows that in said situations, opponents are only going to possibly throw said punches, and he already knows how to evade it. He even knows how to counter certain punches. You'll see, when opponents throw certain punches from certain positions, he'll be able to throw back counters. He knows how to come with the vertical line, how to come with the horizontal line, how to block, and how to catch punches. It's all from drills. Repetition, repetition, repetition. Here, you see Alvarez over and over again drilling the exact same defensive moves and offensive counters. This is what makes it second nature, and he can autonomously counter. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, share and subscribe. As well as check out the Regal Boxing Training playlist for loads more videos just like this. Good work, Fabio.